and the beneficiaries. I thank you all to be present here. Uko Pastor Sagai, I have your Thai Manga Finance, your Gopsana,
Hello, Giko. Auto. Kubang bubagra paisa paisa.
Now may I request General Manager of Tripura Gramin Bank to say a few words. Maharaj ji and Maharani, Priti ma'am, different MPs, MLAs, ministers, and senior officials of CDADC. Today we are honored
Ginahaza.
areas. You are well aware that